Honda Stepwagon RG steering wheel controls.
Port workers. People had death threats against them, and there was information which normally would indicate that they were being targeted for attack. So from the port area, a step that we would have supported, and we think that
all we need on the back of the stereo. How am I going to get this? Is the steering wheel control 2 from your aftermarket stereo. Needs to go in the grey plug. First is an orange wire, which is pin 1 on the top, which is your steering wheel control from your aftermarket stereo, and then you've got an earth, which is directly behind the orange is a brown. That is all you need for the steering wheel controls. So it's this grey plug which literally doesn't do anything. This is the main one which controls obviously the power of the speakers straight into your ICO lead, which plugs straight into the back of the stereo. This grey plug here is your steering wheel controls, so it's just a pin 1 orange, directly behind that is a brown, which is your earth. Connect them two up and away you go. Hope this helps.